and countless generations for its unique flavor and powerful health benefits. Licorice root isn't just about sweetness. It's a genuine powerhouse for soothing stomachs, calming skin, and supporting your respiratory system. Its scientific name, Glycyrrhiza glabra, literally means sweet root. Ancient civilizations valued it for both taste and medicine. King Tutankhamun even took it to the afterlife. But before you rush to try it, remember, licorice root is potent and must be used wisely. Its benefits come with important safety considerations. Today, we'll explore its secrets, science-backed benefits, and how to use it safely. Let's unlock the sweet secret of licorice root together. Get ready to be amazed. What makes licorice root so special? It's packed with a complex mix of natural compounds. The star is glycyrrhizin, which makes licorice root up to 50 times sweeter than sugar. But glycyrrhizin also brings anti-inflammatory and antiviral power. Licorice root is loaded with antioxidants called flavonoids, which protect your cells from damage. Other compounds, like coumarins and saponins, support your immune system and overall health. This unique blend is why licorice root helps with everything from gut health to skin appearance. Each compound plays a role, but together they create a powerful effect. In the next sections, we'll break down these benefits and the science behind them. Licorice root's power is truly remarkable. Let's dive deeper. Let's travel back in time to see how licorice root shaped history. In ancient Egypt, it was so prized that it was buried with King Tutankhamun. The Greeks used it to treat coughs and thirst, with legends like Hippocrates praising its virtues. Roman soldiers carried licorice root for stamina and to quench thirst on long marches. Pliny the Elder recommended it for voice clarity and stomach relief. Across civilizations, licorice root was a trusted remedy for generations. Its reputation was built on real results, not superstition. From priests to soldiers, everyone relied on its soothing power. This deep historical foundation proves its lasting value, and its journey was just beginning. In the East, licorice root, known as gancao in China, became a cornerstone of traditional Chinese medicine. It harmonizes herbal formulas, supports energy, soothes coughs, and clears toxins. In India's Ayurveda, Yashti Madhu is a rejuvenating herb for longevity and soothing the body. As trade expanded, licorice root spread to Europe, where it was cultivated in monasteries and taxed as a valuable commodity. By the 17th century, it transformed into the sweet candy we know today. Licorice root's journey from medicine to treat shows its versatility. It's been a healer, a trade good, and a treat for millennia. From ancient tombs to candy stores, its story is global. Few plants have touched as many lives in so many ways. Licorice root truly stands the test of time. The secret behind licorice root's power? Glycyrrhizin. This compound is 30 to 50 times sweeter than sugar, but its real magic is anti-inflammatory and antiviral action. Glycyrrhizin soothes sore throats and calms digestive inflammation. It helps your body fight viruses by boosting immune response. That's why licorice tea is a classic remedy for colds and coughs. But glycyrrhizin's potency means it must be used with care. Too much can disrupt your body's balance. Understanding this compound is key to safe use. It's a powerful example of nature's chemistry. Glycyrrhizin drives licorice's benefits and its risks. Use it wisely for the best results. Glycyrrhizin isn't alone. Licorice root is a symphony of health-boosting compounds. Flavonoids like glabridin are potent antioxidants, protecting your cells and brightening skin. Licorice helps fade dark spots, making licorice a favorite in skincare. Saponins act as expectorants, thinning mucus and easing coughs. That's why licorice tea feels so soothing during chest congestion. These compounds work together, not in isolation, for maximum benefit. Whole plant medicine means balance and synergy. Nature's blend is more powerful than any single ingredient. Licorice root's complex chemistry supports your body in many ways. It's a true powerhouse for natural health. Licorice root has long been used to soothe digestive discomfort, like heartburn, indigestion, and upset stomach, by supporting your body's natural defenses. DGL, a special form of licorice, helps increase protective mucus in your stomach, shielding it from acid and irritation. It's a gentle, natural way to support gut health, making DGL a smart addition to your wellness routine. Licorice root is a time-tested friend to your respiratory system. Its soothing, demulcent film calms sore throats, while its expectorant power helps clear congestion. A warm cup of licorice tea can ease irritation and help you breathe easier, just as it has for generations. It's a natural choice for respiratory relief. The healing power of licorice root isn't just for your insides, it can work wonders for your body's largest organ, your skin. Its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties make it a superstar ingredient in the world of skincare. If you struggle with inflammatory skin conditions like eczema or rosacea, you know how frustrating the constant redness, swelling, and itching can be. Topical creams and gels containing licorice root extract can offer significant relief. The glycyrrhizin works to calm the skin's inflammatory response, much like it does in the throat or stomach, helping to reduce redness and soothe that maddening itch, promoting a calmer, more comfortable complexion. But the skin benefits of licorice extend far beyond just calming inflammation. It has gained massive popularity in the skincare world for its remarkable ability to address hyperpigmentation. This refers to the dark spots or patches that can appear on the skin due to sun damage, acne scars, or hormonal changes. Licorice root contains those powerful flavonoids we discussed, specifically glabridin and licoritin. These compounds act as natural skin brighteners. They work by inhibiting an enzyme called tyrosinase, which is essential for the production of melanin, the pigment that causes these dark spots. By gently slowing down this process, licorice helps to fade existing spots and prevent new ones from forming. This makes licorice extract a fantastic natural alternative to harsher chemical skin lightening agents like hydroquinone. It offers a gentler path to achieving a more even and radiant skin tone. You'll find it featured in a wide range of products, from serums and moisturizers to spot treatments and face masks. Its inclusion means you are not only tackling uneven pigmentation, but also providing your skin with antioxidant protection against environmental stressors that can accelerate aging. It's a multitasking ingredient that truly helps to protect and perfect your skin from multiple angles, leading to a healthier overall appearance. Furthermore, the antimicrobial properties of licorice root may also make it beneficial for those with acne-prone skin. By helping to fight off the bacteria that can contribute to breakouts, it can play a supportive role in keeping skin clear. When you combine its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, skin brightening, and antimicrobial effects, it's easy to see why licorice root is considered a true skin savior. Whether you're dealing with irritation, dark spots, or just want a brighter complexion, keeping an eye out for this powerful root extract in your skincare ingredient lists is a very smart move for your skin's health. Let's complete our tour of the body by looking inside your mouth. A healthy smile goes beyond just bright, white teeth. It involves healthy gums and a balanced oral environment. Here too, licorice root can be a surprising and powerful champion. Much like it fights problematic bacteria in the stomach, it can also combat the harmful bacteria in your mouth. Specifically, research has shown that compounds in licorice, such as licoricidin and glabridin, are effective at inhibiting the growth of bacteria like Streptococcus mutans, a primary culprit behind tooth decay and cavities. It helps to create a less hospitable environment for these cavity-causing microbes. The benefits extend to your gums as well. The same bacteria that cause tooth decay can also lead to gingivitis, the early stage of gum disease characterized by red, swollen, and bleeding gums. The anti-inflammatory properties of licorice can help to soothe this irritation and reduce inflammation in the gum tissue. Some studies have explored the use of licorice-infused lollipops or herbal extracts as a way to deliver these antibacterial and anti-inflammatory benefits directly to the teeth and gums. By helping to control the bad bacteria, you are taking a proactive step in protecting yourself from both cavities and gum disease. Have you ever suffered from a painful canker sore, also known as an aphthous ulcer? These small, shallow sores inside the mouth can make eating and talking incredibly uncomfortable. Licorice root, particularly in the form of a DGL mouth patch or rinse, has been shown to provide significant relief. Studies have found that it can reduce the size of the sores, decrease pain, and speed up the healing process. The soothing, film-forming action coats the sore, protecting it from irritation, while the anti-inflammatory properties get to work on healing the underlying tissue. It's a gentle yet effective solution for these common and annoying mouth ailments. Finally, there's an interesting application for licorice in a medical setting. That sore throat you sometimes get after a surgery that required a breathing tube or intubation is a common complaint. Research has shown that gargling with a licorice solution before the procedure can significantly reduce the incidence and severity of this post-operative sore throat. It pre-coats and soothes the throat, making it less susceptible to irritation from the tube. From fighting cavities and gum disease to healing canker sores and preventing post-surgical pain, licorice root proves its versatility once again, acting as a true guardian for your overall oral health. Licorice root is more than a sweet treat. It's a powerful antioxidant shield for your cells. Its flavonoids, like glycyrrhizin, help neutralize free radicals from pollution, sun, and stress. By reducing oxidative stress, licorice root supports healthy aging, energy, and glowing skin, helping your body thrive every day. Licorice root's versatility inspires research into its benefits for liver health, hormone balance, and immunity. Its antioxidant compounds may help protect liver cells, while phytoestrogens could gently support women during menopause. Licorice's antiviral and immune-modulating properties are promising, but more research is needed. From liver to immunity, licorice root is more than a sweet treat. Its future looks exciting. Licorice root is powerful, but it must be used with caution. The compound glycyrrhizin can cause your body to retain sodium and lose potassium, raising blood pressure and lowering potassium levels, sometimes dangerously. Too much licorice can lead to serious health risks, especially for those with high blood pressure. Moderation is key. Always consult your doctor if you plan to use licorice regularly. Licorice root can interact with many medications, sometimes making them less effective or increasing side effects. It can raise blood pressure, counteract heart and diuretic meds, and intensify steroids or blood thinners. Pregnant or breastfeeding people, and those with heart, kidney, or liver issues should avoid it. Always talk to your doctor before using licorice root. Wondering how to safely use licorice at home? There are teas, tinctures, and tablets, each with unique benefits. Licorice tea is soothing and easy to find, perfect for occasional use. For digestive support, DGL tablets are safer for regular use. Tinctures are potent. Always check the label and consult a professional. For skin, use topical creams with licorice extract, not tea. When using licorice, moderation is key. Treat it as a potent herb, not a daily treat. Always read labels for glycyrrhizin or DGL and follow the recommended dose. Pay attention to your body's signals. If you notice unusual symptoms, stop and consult your doctor. Before starting any supplement, talk to your healthcare provider to ensure licorice is safe for you. Licorice root is more than just a sweet treat. It's a powerful plant with a rich history in traditional medicine and modern science. Its unique compounds offer benefits for digestion, skin, and even our immune system. From ancient remedies to today's supplements, licorice root remains a versatile ally for health and well-being. Licorice root is a powerful partner in wellness, but only when used wisely. Its benefits come with real risks, like raising blood pressure and interacting with medications. Always research, read labels, and talk to your doctor, especially if you're pregnant or have heart or kidney issues. With care and respect, licorice can be a sweet, safe addition to your health journey. If you found this helpful, Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and insights on natural wellness.